Insta360 just did something really impossible. Because of Go Ultra, just became much more than compact action camera. It became cinematic camera with a blurred background. Yes, Insta360 just released the micro lens kit for Go Ultra. Those are snap-on lenses with a different focal distance: 5 centimeters, 11.6, 21.5, and 38 centimeters. And in today's episode, I will show you each of these lenses. What is better configuration for each of the lenses? What are the pros and cons for each lenses? Stay tuned and you will see a lot of interesting today. First of all, let's start with a very important firmware update 1343 that has been released just a couple of days ago. Don't forget to update it, because this update will give you a new menu option that allows you to switch between different lens kits. It is essentially important for using the new micro lenses, because of the camera will adapt this entire field of view and actually the distortion to work with this specific lens that will give you even better blurring and better focusing on yourself. So let's go. Let's start with 38 centimeters close-up lens. This lens was made that you can use it with Go Ultra, for example, with a selfie stick or with fully stretched arms, because 38 centimeters it's a minimal focal distance to yourself, or actually to the object that you would like to film. And I think this is one of the best lenses for self-vlogging, for portrait vlogging, while walking, while running, whatever else you do. And in that case, you will always get this perfectly blurred background, not artificially blurred, but actually based on the optics. And to my opinion, this innovation from Insta360 GO Ultra completely transforms the way how we can use Go Ultra camera. Just for example, when I turn the camera towards the sunrise and towards the landscape, you can see that everything is blurred. It is because there are certain distance that will allow the lens to capture. The 38 centimeters lens allows you to keep focused specifically on yourself, on the person that you are filming, with the distance approximately starting from 38 centimeters. I would say to keep the camera between 38 to approximately 50 centimeters from the object. I'm not sure exactly how much it is in inches, but as you can see that on this distance, now I stretch my hands a little bit more, a little bit less. I keep staying in the focus, but the background is fully blurred. So this is 38 centimeters lens. Let me also stand still for a moment and will show you how the video quality looks like when I'm not moving. And I will also take a couple of photos with the same 38 centimeters lens. Now, this is my favorite from this micro lens kit for Go Ultra. It is 21.5 centimeters focal distance. It means you need to keep this camera a little bit closer to yourself, but you get this much better blurred background and this true cinematic, actually true portrait feeling from this lens, not like normally we have with action cameras when you see everything behind, but actually similar to what we get with Osmo Pocket 3, when the object close by to the lens is visible clearly, but everything else behind is blurred. So now I'm holding this camera approximately up to 30 centimeters from my face and using a linear field of view. As you can see, it's actually good enough because I see exactly my position the same in the camera approximately as when I'm using Osmo Pocket 3. And just for the comfort, I would recommend to use still some selfie stick, because of holding it in hand, very close to myself, it's not so comfortable. And I would recommend to stand still with this lens, because every movement can create sort of micro jittering. And also I would recommend to switch the camera to 4K at least 50 FPS. 50 FPS to avoid jittering and making sure that stabilization actually works slightly better with 50 FPS. And having good lighting, of course. So this is 21.5 centimeters, my favorite lens from this lens kit. Let me just show you an experiment. So now I'm holding this camera approximately 22 centimeters from my face, from the distance. Now I put it 30 centimeters. Now it is approximately 40 centimeters. And the most stretched hand, like 50 centimeters. So you can see yourself if the face starts blurring or not at the distance of 50 centimeters. And of course, we can see blurred background. All the lenses from this kit are snap-on lenses. Unfortunately, you cannot screw them in, because honestly, I would be using them all the time. For example, this lens, 38 centimeters, it perfectly fits for daily vlogging, mostly for 99% of the cases. Of course, except the cases when you need to film something with the camera, not yourself. But if you're a storyteller, where mostly you would like to focus the camera on yourself, then 21.8 and 38 centimeters filters that's for you. As you can see, 11.6 centimeters lens is definitely not for the self-vlogging, for the portrait vlogging, because even this close by distance already made my face actually blurred out. Of course, the background is completely blurred out now. But this is for the close by objects, and I would recommend to use this if you want to, for example, present something and you need these close-up shots, or for the photography. For the macro photography, 11.6 and next 5 centimeters lens that I'll show you now are the best. Let me show you. This is using 11.6 centimeters lens and holding it very close to the leaves, to this bush. As you can see, that the closer I keep the camera to the leaves, it becomes more and more clear, and then everything else is in the background. That's actually what 11.6 centimeters close-ups and lens looks like. Let me show you from this direction also, where we have a little bit more light, and just take a look at how clear it is. Comparing to previously what we saw on all the action cameras, this looks just fantastic. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. This is 5 centimeters micro lens. As you can see, this is definitely not for the self-vlogging. This is only for the macro shots, and I will show you in a second how does it work. 5 centimeters. You need to keep it very, very close. As you can see, here we have the grass. And how with all the details, now we can see it. Just take a look. Every petal, every leaf is so visible. Looks like you're filming on the professional camera with, this advanced macro lenses and the focus. So, holding the camera approximately 5 to 6 centimeters from the leaves. As you can see, everything else is perfectly blurred. Every leaves, every petal on the leaves are so nicely visible. As for the macro shots, if you love macro shots, you will definitely like these micro lenses. Here we have some early spring flowers. They are closed still because this is the morning, but I will show you the details that you will get with the macro lenses. Just take a look how beautiful it is with all the details. And yes, this is GO Ultra with micro lenses. I also took a couple of shots with 5 centimeters micro lens, and here it is. As you can see, all the details, all the petals are so clearly visible if you would be shooting them with professional macro lenses. And this is actually action camera, but with a proper, and I would say very cheap lenses that you can buy one or the entire set, and I will drop the link in the description below. If I would need to buy only one lens from this kit, I would recommend to go with 21.5 centimeters lens. This is like the second largest because the first is 38 centimeters. This lens will give you this perfect blurred background as we wanted to have starting from the Osmo Pocket 3 camera, but at the same time the focal distance is good enough to keep yourself in the camera, without the cut head and not to look at creepy. And as you can see, this 21.5 centimeters lens gives you the true optical blurred background, not is based on some artificial blurring like some other cameras does, but actually based on how light works passing through these lenses. But if your kind of activity is not just a slow walking, but for example, a little bit faster walking, or maybe running, or maybe cycling, I would recommend to go with 38 centimeters macro lens. It gives you also blurred background, slightly less than with the previous lenses, but still you'll get this effect. But also, the focus on yourself, if you're a self-vlogger, will remain the same good. Even if you physically change the distance using selfie stick or maybe stretching your hands to or from, as you can see, you're still staying in the focus in a really good way. She knows that I have apple. No. Not only carrots, but also apples. No, it's a good weather and I was able to come into her because with the bad weather and raining, she was staying here alone. Here it is. Let's eat more. Don't lose any. I really like the fact that Insta360 is not just trying to stamping the new camera, like every couple of months, but they know the way how to improve the existing cameras. And for existing customers, this is the best way because you don't need to buy the new camera. You can just upgrade it for a couple of dollars. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, just don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Very interesting videos that will be coming just in a couple of days. Stay tuned. See you. Bye.